What's the meaning of coitus interruptus? Coitus interruptus. Coitus interruptus.
Coitus interruptus. Coitus interruptus. Coitus interruptus refers to a method of contraception during sexual intercourse whereby the male partner withdraws his penis from the vagina before ejaculation. The aim is to prevent sperm from being deposited in the female reproductive tract and thus avoid pregnancy. However, this method is not highly effective as seminal fluid may still contain viable sperm even before ejaculation occurs, and it may also be difficult for the male to effectively time the withdrawal. Therefore, coitus interruptus is not recommended as a reliable means of birth control.